I'm Slime Rancher. Hey, I'm playing on this system. Xbox. Yeah, so here we are. I'm gonna show you how to get. I'm gonna go into my ranch right there. Don't worry about the new bugs I have. And look what I found. Hunter slime. Is that crazy? Hunter slime. I actually got a gold for it, but I died and I lost all my eyes. I was fine. And then I had a hunter slime, and then I got killed. That was embarrassing. Well, I gotta sleep for. Well, that's so injured out. I gotta sleep first. First, gotta sleep. Right. I gotta sleep. Do I have to sleep? Do I have to sleep? I'm regular. I actually have Slime Rancher 2 on this system, but yeah. Gotta go to sleep first. Hey, pink rock color. It's actually my first ornament. Oh. I'm so hard because my dumb legs. Like my legs are so. Oh. So, yeah. I'm playing on Xbox Series X. I don't need that. I only need like Hunter port. Is that what I think it is? Sulfur sword port. Nah, I don't need that. That sounds good. Pink. Wow, they're super dumb. They can be in the moss blanket or other places. Like, I got Quantum Slime on the PC. And Hunter. Don't ask why. Here I have 4 new bucks. Because I had 354 and then I wasted on the 350 pulling high walls. So that's why I only have 4 new bucks. Imagine I have 1. Imagine I played Slime Rancher and then I only had 1 new bucks. Imagine having 0. That would be so weird. And imagine it stayed had 0 new bucks. You would be so poor. And you would be like dumb at Slime Rancher. Not dumb, like when I just got Slime Rancher on my Switch, I didn't know what to do in that game. But finally, I know what to do and I can buy the lab on my Switch. Have it on a PC Switch. Xbox. I'm playing Xbox right now. I actually had Slime Rancher 2 on Xbox. So Hunter Slime must be around here, right? Yeah. I go Slimepedia first, Slimes, and I saw one of these. I saw one of the Hunter Pharaoh slimes, and I fed it mango. It didn't work on the boom ones. Then it's a present. You know, it's gonna be an ornament. Elder ornament. I already have the elder ornament. No, don't want the same ornament. These are not even good slimes, but Hunter. Is that a yarn ball? Slime toy. Whoa! I almost fell. One time when I had Hunter Slime, I just fell. Or I think I already told you guys. But I saw Pharaoh Slimes here. Like Pharaoh Hunter Slimes, and I fed it. Actually, I've chicken to feed the Pharaoh ones, I think. There are actually Pharaoh ones here? I don't know. Pink, that's not a good slime. Not Tabby, not Boom, but Qualtham is, and Hunter. One time I saw a golden slime, and then I saw it get a gold for it, and I got it. Whoa. It's right there! Huh? Look what I found! Whoa! It's invincible! It's invincible! Oh, it's so cute. I love it. I like it. Hey. There we go. Now we got Hunter Slime. Oh, is that another one? Okay. Now it's a feral. Happy Hunter larger. Hi Hunter. Hi Big Wave. Hi Big Hunter. How you doing? How you doing, Hunter? How you doing, Scavenger? Are you gonna go on the scavenger hunt, dude? You sure look like a tabby. But it looks so good. I love it. Actually, the actual Hunter Slime diet is actual meat, and it says meat. And that is how you get Hunter Slime. See you in the next one. Goodbye.